My name is Vinay Shukla and today I am going to explain the second passage of the poetry and elementary school classroom in Islam. On sour cream walls donations, Shakespeare's head, cloudless at dawn, civilized dome riding all cities, build flowery Talos Valley. So in these lines, Spender is trying to tell us that the class of the walls of the classroom are painted with a sour cream color, means it's not being painted for a long time and it has been the you know victim of negligence. And Shakespeare head is also there. Donations means people who have contributed or donated for such kind of schools, like posters and images were also there on the walls. Shakespeare head, there is Shakespeare is here symbol of English literature as well as the civilized society. Cloudless at dawn, civilized Rome riding all cities. So you may also see cloudless at dawn means there's a scene of morning, where civilized dome riding all cities means a kind of sun which seems like civilized dome, semicircular, and it is also visible on that the classroom walls. Built flowery Tylos Valley means there is also Tylos Valley. It's a kind of valley somewhere in Austria, and it's a flowery valley where you may see the beauty of the nature. Open-handed map. There's also a map which symbolizes the beautiful places of the earth, while the real word of those slum dwellers is not good. Avoiding the word, its word, and yet for these children, these windows, not this map, their word. And as far as these windows are concerned, the slum children only can see the slum street, not the beautiful world, where all their futures painted with fog, a narrow street sealed in with far, far from rivers, caves, and stars of words. So their future is basically painted with the fog. They have dark future. They can't. They have no vision. There's no leader among them that can help them to see the things differently. A narrow street sealed in with a lead sky means their real sky is not a cloudless sky, but it's a fog. It's covered with fog. It's a lead sky means black sky, far far from rivers, caves, and stars of words. So these children have been kept away from such kind of rivers, caves means mountains, and stars of word means the words which they are going to be taught in this in the school. They are nothing to do with their real thing. That's all about the lesson.